శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. On this auspicious Guru Ekadasi, Karkataka Sankramana Dakshinayana Mahapunyakala, the intention in this Adhyatma Ramayana reading is to conclude the Yuddhakanda. With that, Ramayanam comes to a conclusion. When we stopped last week, we have stopped when Rama is descending in his Pushpaka Vimana in Ayodhya. So, Pranjalir Bharato Bhutva Prahrushto Raghavonmukhaha Tato Vimanagragatam Bharato Raghavam Mudha. So, with the Pranjali, Bharata has bowed down to Rama. Vavande Pranato Ramam. Vavande Pranato Ramam. Merusthameva Bhaskaram. Like on the Meru Bhaskara, Surya Narayana Murti, on the Meru, as he is seen, Merusthameva Bhaskaram, Tato Ramabhyanugnatam Vimanam Apatat Bhuvihi. With the agreement or with has been ordered by Rama, Vimanam Pratut Bhuvihi. Aropito Vimanam Tad Bharata Sanujastada. So the Bharata, Anuja, along with Anuja, Aropito, they have climbed up into the Vimanam. Rama Masadhya Muditaha Punareva Abhyavadayat. Again he has bound down to Rama. Samuthapya Chiradrushtam Bharatam Raghunandanaha Bharatam Swankamaropya Mudatam Parishad Swaje. So on the same seat, sitting, making him sit, Tato Lakshmana Masadhya Vaidehim Namakirtanam Abhyavada Priyo Bharataha Prema Vihvalaha. Then telling his name, I am Bharata, Ramoham, Bharatoham, with that Namakirtayan Abhyavadata Prito Bharataha Vaidehim Abhyavadata. Bharata bowed down to Sita with the protocol of calling out his name. Sugrivam Jambavantancha Yorajan Tadhangadam Mainda Dvivida Nilamscha Rushabham Chaiva Saswaje. So along with all the Vanara Veeras have been introduced. Sushenancha Nalanchaiva Gavaksham Gandhamadanam Jarabham Panasanchaiva Bharata Parishaswaje. So Bharata has been embraced by all these. Sarvetu Manusham Rupam Krutva Bharata Madruta Paprachuk Kusalam Saumyaha Prahrushtascha Plavangamaha. All these Vanaras taking the Manusham Rupam in the human form, they have asked the Kusalam of Bharata. Tata Sugriva Malingya Bharata Praha Bhaktitaha. Then embracing Sugriva, Bharata said, Tvat Sahayena Ramasya Jayo Abhud Ravano Hataha. So by your help, Rama has won Ravana. Jaya, he has got his victory. Tamasmakam Chaturdhantu Bhrata Sugriva Panchamaha. Tvam Asmakam Chaturdhantu Bhrata. For all our four brothers, you are the fifth brother, Panchamaha. Krutagnascha Satada Ramam Shatrughnaschya Tada Ramam Abhivadya Salakshmanam. Shatrughna also bowed down to Rama and Lakshmana. Sitayas Charanau Pasyat Vande Vinayanvataha. Looking at Sita's Charana, lotus feet, Vande Vinayanvataha. Bowed down to them with Vinaya. With Vinaya, he has bowed down. Ramo Mataramasadhya Vivarnam Shokavihvalam. Rama reached the mother. Vivarnam Swakaviphalam, she is worried about Rama's well-being. Vivarnam Swakaviphalam. Jagraha Pranataha Padau, down to mother. Mano Matu Prasadayan. So Mano Matuhu Prasadayan. So by bowing down, seeing Rama, she became very happy. Prasadayan. Kaikeyincha Sumitrancha Sanametara Mataro. So he has bowed down to Kaikeyi and other Sumitra, the other mothers. Bharata Paduke tu राघवस्य सुपूजिते योजयामास रामस्य पादयोर्भक्तिसंयुतः. So the padukas have been given to Rama, saying that Rajyametat न्यासभूतं मया निर्यातितं तव अद्य मे सफलं जन्म फलितो मे मनोरथः. So Bharata says, whatever you have put the Rajyam, your Rajyam with me, Nyasam, so it has been just given under the care of Bharata. Maya Niryatitam Tava Adya me Safalam Janma. So my Janma has become Safalam, fulfilled. Phalito me Manoratha. So I have done your duty, whatever duty you have asked me to perform. Yat pasyami samayata mayodhyam tvamaham prabho koshtagaram balam kosam krutam dasagunam maya. So I made it 10 times. All your koshtagaram, balam, I have increased the sena, I have increased your valuables, money, wealth by 10 times. Dasagunam maya. Tejasa Jagannatha Palayasva Puram Swakam. So by your Tejasa, Jagannatha, you are the Natha of Jagat. Palayasva Puram Swakam. So you rule this Puram, Ayodhya, Swakam of your. Iti Brovanam Bharatam Društva Sarve Kapishwaraha. He looked at all the Kapishwara. Mumuchur Netrajam Toyam Prasamsas Surmudanvitaha Tato Ramaha Prahushtatma Bharatam Swankagam Mudaha. Then taking again Bharata near to him. Yayautena Vimanena Bharatasyaasramam Pattada Avaruhya Tada Ramo Vimanagran Mahitalam. Vahanama, then he asked the Vimana to go back. You can go back. Abravit Pushpakan Devo Gacha Vaisravanam Sahaha Anugachanu Janami Kuberam Dhanapalakam. So you go and reach your owner, which is Kubera. He has given freedom, or he has allowed that to go and do its work now. Ramo Vasishthasya Guroho Padambujam Natva Yadha Devaguroho Satakratuhu. Now Rama bowed down to Vasishtha as Sakra, Indra bowing down to Devaguru Bruhaspati. Datva Maharhasanamuttamam Guroho, giving a Maharha Asanam, a higher Asanam, place to him. Upavivesatha Guru Samipetaha. He sat down underneath there. With that, we have finished the 14th Sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana. So Rama's return to Ayodhya has been completed now. Then Sri Rama Pattabhishekam. Panchadasa Sarga. So 15th Sarga we are entering. 15th and 16th we will complete today quickly. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. So Mahadeva started narrating again. Tatastu Kaikeyi Putro Bharato Bhakti Samyutaha Sirasya Anjali Madhaya Jeshtam Bhrataram Abravit. So Kaikeyi Putra Bharata, again bowing down, Bhratarama Mata me Satkruta Rama Dattam Rajyam Tvaya Mama Dattami Tatte Cha Punaryatha Tvam Adada Mama. So I now give back the Rajyam what my mother has asked for a period which has been given to me. Now I am giving it back to you. Ityuktva padayor bhaktya sashtangam pranipatyacha bahudha parardhayamasa Kaikeyaha guruna sahaha. So Kaikeyi and Guru, everybody has requested Rama now, saying that this Rajyam need to be ruled by you. Tadheti pratijagraha bharatadraj Rajyamishwaraha Mayamasritya sakalam naracheshtham upagamataha. So Rama Tadheti, let it be so. Rama accepted this request which is made by Bharata, Kaikeyi and Guru. Guru is Vasishta. Tadheti prachajagraha Swarajyanubhavo yasya sukha jnanaika rupinaha nirastatisayananda rupinaha paramatmanaha. Swarajyananda, Swaraj, Virat, Rama himself, he is having divine world, his own world, his own Atma Rama. Swarajyanubhavo yasya sukhajnanaika rupinaha. Ultimate wisdom, ultimate sukha, ultimate bliss, ultimate jnana rupinaha. Nirastatisaya ananda rupinaha paramatmanaha, who is having nirasta atisaya ananda rupa, such bliss, nirasta, which cannot be compared with anything else, anandatisaya rupa paramatmanah manushena tu rajyena kim tasya jagatishatu. Of this useless piece of Ayodhya, what is the use of ruling such a small place called Ayodhya for Jagadishutu? Yasya bhrubhanga matrena triloki nasyati kshanat. With a wink of his eyebrows, all the three worlds will go away. Such powerful Rama, what is the use of him doing this Rajya Abhisheka? Tathapi, even though bhajatam nityam kamapura vidhitsaya lila manusha dehana sarvamapyanuvartate. So as he took the Leela Manusha Rupa, a playful human body as a king, Dasaratha's son, tathapi bhajatam, so everybody requested him to do so. Tatasya grutrugna vachanan nipunha shusrukruntakah sambharascha abhishekartham anita raghavasyahi. So having accepted the Rajya by Raghava, Shatrugna now gone into the preparations for the preparations of Abhisheka. పూర్వంతు భరతే స్నానే లక్ష్మణే చ మహాత్మని సుగ్రీవే వానరేంద్రే చ రాక్షసేంద్రే విభీషణే. సో then all these, along with first Bharata has taken snana, Lakshmane cha Mahatmani, Sugrive, Naradendreta, Rakshasendre, Vibhishane, Visodhi Jatataha, Snataha, Sitra Malyanulepanaha, then removing the jatas. So all these years they have not been doing hair cutting or anything. Jatas are there, lot of huge hair grown on. Jatas natas titamalyanulepanaha, then they have used gandhas and malas. They have put the malas, malyanulepanaha. Maharhavasostepo tatra sriyajvalan, so their pratikarmacha Ramasya Lakshmanasya Mahamatihi, so they have got their hair cut. Karayamasa Bharataha Sitaya Rajayoshitaha. Sita has been decorated by the women of kings, Rajayoshitaha, Maharhvastabhravanascha Chukrusumadhyamam. So great abharanas have been given to her. Tato Vanarapatninam Sarvasam eva Sobhanaha. Then even the Vanaras' wives are also decorated or been Akarayata Kausalya Prahurushta Putravatsala. Kausalya herself came and beautified them. Putravatsala Tatas Yandanamadaya Shatrugna Vachanat Sudhihi Sumantraha Surya Sankasam Yojayatvagratasthitaha Aruroha Ratham Rama Satyadharma Parayanaha. So Aruroha Ratham Rama Satyadharma Parayanaha. Sumantra has brought the Radha. Sugrivo Yuvarajascha Hanumanscha Vibhishanaha Snatva Divyambhara Divyabharana Bhushita Rama Manviya Magrecha Radhasva Gajavahanaha Sugriva Patyaha Sritaha Yur Yanaihi Puram Mahat. So everyone, all the pallakis have been brought to all the people. Vajrapanir Yadha Devair Hitasva Radhestitaha Prayayo Rathamastaya Tadha Ramo Mahatpuram. Like Shakra, again Indra in his Ratha, Rama is seen like that. Saradhyam Bharatas Chakre. So the driving part has taken by Bharata. There is no Saradhi. Bharatan Chakre. Bharata himself got into driving of this Ratha. Svetatapatram Shatrugno Lakshmano Vyajanandhade. So the fan and the Chatram umbrella on the top of it, all this Bharata and Shatrugna, Lakshmana, they have taken. Chamarancha Samipasto Nevijayan Arindamaha Sesiprakasam Putaram Jagraha Suranayakaha Divijayi Siddhasanghayischa Rushibhir Divya Darsanahi. So to see this thing, all again all the beings of other layers of existence, those Siddhas, Rushis, all these people, Tuyamana Ramasya Susruve Madhuradhvani, they started singing the praises of Rama. Manusham Rupamasthaya Vanara Gajavananaha Khe bheri shankha ninadaischa mrudanga panavanakaihi. So all the vanaras started blowing the conch shells, all the different types of musical instruments, everything, all the big retinue is started. Prayayu Raghava Sreshtham Purim Samalankrutam. So fully decorated Ayodhya, Rama started going forward. Dudrususte Samayantam Raghavam Puravarasinaha. So all the people in the Pura, they wanted to see him. Durvadala Syamantam Maharha Kirita Ratnabharananchitangam Araktaka Jayatalochanancam Društva Yuyur Modamativa Punyaha Vichitra Ratnanchita Sutradandha Pitambaram Pena Bhujantaralam Anarkhya Muktaphala Divyaharahir Virochamanam Raghunandanam Praja Sugriva Mukhir Ribhis Prasantair Nishevyamanam Ravitulya Bhasam Kasturika Chandana Liptagatram Nivita Kalpadrama Pushpamalam. So having a great Pushpamala. Srutva Striyo Rama Mupagatam Muda. All the ladies Rama Mupagatam Muda Praharsha Vegayot Kalitanama Sriyataha. Completing their own home works early on that day. Aprapya Sarvam Gruhakarya Mahitam. Harmyani Chaivar Muhur Swalankrutaha, decorating themselves, they have climbed up onto their own Harmyas to have a look at Rama. Društva Harim Sarva Drugutsavakrutim Pushpaihi Kirantyaha Smitasobhitanana Drugbhik Punarnetra Manorasayanam Swanandamurtim Manasa Bhire. So they have looked at him with great love. They've thrown flowers on him. Ramaha Smita Snigdha Drusya Prajastatha Pasyan Prajanatha Iva Paraprabhu Senair Jagamatha Pituswarankrutam Gruham Mahendra Alaya Sannibham Harihi. So Vishnu, the Rama, who has gone with this prema, with this love-filled view of all the prajas, he entered the father's house. Pravisya Vesmantarasthito Muda Ramo Vanaste Charanau Swamatuhu Kramena Sarva Priya Pitruyoshitah Prabhur Nanama Bhaktva Raghuvamsa Ketuhu. And he bound to all his mothers. Dasarathas are Pitruyoshitah, all the women of Dasaratha have been bowed down. Tato Bharatamahedam Ramaha Satyaparākramaha Sarva Sampat Samayuktam Mama Mandiramuttamam. Then he has, having entered there, he ordered Mitraya Vanarendraya Sugrivaya Pradiyatam. Give my room, my hall, my palace to Sugriva. Sarvebhyas Rajavasartham Mandirane Prakalpayaha. For everybody else, create mandiras or give them respective places. Ramena ivam samadhishto bharatascha tathakarot uvachata mahacheja sugrivam raghavanujam raghavasya abhishekaartham chatusindhu jalam subham anetam preshayasvasu durastun tarita vikraman. So then all the Vanara Veeras have been sent on 4 directions to bring all the different waters to do this abhisheka. Preshayamasa Sugrivo Jambavantam Marutsutam Angadamcha Sushenancha Tegatva Vayuvegataha. Angadam, Sushenam, Marutsutam, Hanuman and Jambavantam Sugriva has asked them to go to all Jalapurnan, Satakumban, Kalasyanscha Samayatan, Anitam Tirthachalilam, Chitrugno Mantribhisaha. So all the waters have been got. Raghavasya Abhishekartham Vasishtayanya Vedayat Tatastu Prayoto Vruddho Vasishto Brahmanais Sahaha. With old Brahmanas and Vasishta bringing these waters, Ramam Ratnamaye Pithe Sasitam Samnyavesayat. Ramam Ratnamaye Pithe Sasitam Samnyavesayat. Having got Rama to the place, Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabalir Gautamastadha. Vasishta Vamadeva Jabali Gautami. Valmikischa Tadhasekruhu Sarve Ramabhishechanam. Kusalagra Tulasi Yukta Punya Gandha Jalair Mudha. So with all the, along with Sita, all these rishis have done the Rutvig Rishibhascha Raghushreshtam Vasavam Vasavo Yathaha Rutvig Brahmanai Sreshtai Kanyabhi saha mantribhihi. Then kanyas, then mantris, all these people have performed the abhisheka on the Rama. Sarvaushadhi saischaiva, sarvaushadhi rasaschaiva, all aushadhi rasas, herbal extracts of aushadhi rasas have been brought in. Devatair nabhasi sthitehe, all the gods with in the established in the space. Chaturbhir lokapalaischa stuvidbhir saganais tadhaha, they started doing the stotras. ఛత్రంచుతస్య జగ్రాహ శత్రుఘ్న పాండురం శుభం సుగ్రీవ రాక్షసేంద్రౌతో దధతు శ్వేత చామ్రే. సుగ్రీవ రాక్షసేంద్ర, విభీషణ అండ్ సుగ్రీవ హ్యావ్ పుట్ ద చామరాస్ అరౌండ్ హిమ్. ఛత్రం హ్యాస్ బీన్ హోల్డ్, శత్రుఘ్న హీస్ హోల్డింగ్ దట్. మాలాంచ కాంచనీం వాయుర్దతౌ వాసవచోదిత సర్వరత్న సమాయుక్తం మణికాంచన భూషితం దదౌ హారం నరేంద్రాయ స్వయం శక్రత్తు భక్తిత ప్రజ్యగుర్దేవగంధర్వా ననృతుశ్చాప్సరోగణా. ఆల్ ద అప్సరగణాస్ ఆర్ స్టేటెడ్ టు డాన్స్. దేవదుంధభయో నేధు, దేవదుంధుభి స్టార్టెడ్ బ్లోయింగ్. పుష్పవృష్టి పపాతభాత్, ద వృష్టి ఆఫ్ పుష్పాస్ హ్యాస్ ఫాలెన్. నవదోర్వదళశ్యామం పద్మపత్రాయతే క్షణం, ఆన్ ద నవదోర్వదళశ్యామం పద్మపత్రాయతే క్షణం రామం ఆన్ ద రామ. రవికోటి ప్రభాయుక్త కిరీటేన విరాజితం, హిస్ క్రౌన్ ఈస్ గ్లోయింగ్ విత్ 1 crore సన్స్ గ్లోయింగ్. రవికోటి విరాజితం కోటి కందర్పలావణ్యం పీతాంబర సమావృతం. Like 1 crore kandarpas, manmadhas have come there with that lavanyam. కోటి కందర్ప లావణ్యం పీతాంబర సమావృతం దివ్యాభరణ సంపన్నం దివ్యచందన లేపనం ఆయుతా దివ్య సంకాతం ద్విభుజం రఘునందనం. విత్ 2 hands రఘునందన ఈజ్ స్టాండింగ్ దేర్. వామభాగేన ఆసీనాం సీతాం కాంచన సన్నిభాం, ఆన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ సీతా ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ విత్ గ్లో ఆఫ్ గోల్డ్. కాంచన సన్నిభాం సర్వాభరణ సంపన్నాం వామాంకే సముపస్థితాం రక్తోత్పలకరాంభోజాం వామేనాలింగ్య సంస్థితం. హీ ఈజ్ హోల్డింగ్ సీతా విత్ హిస్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్, ఆలింగ్య ఎంబ్రేసింగ్ హర్. సంస్థితం సర్వాతిశయ సౌభాగ్యం దృష్ట్వా భక్తి సమన్విత. హ్యావింగ్ సీన్ దిస్, ఉమయా సహితో దేవ శంకరో రఘునందనం సర్వదేవ గుణైర్యుక్త స్తోతుం సముపచక్రమే. ఉమా సహితో, along with Uma, Shankara started singing a stotra. Sri Mahadeva Vacha. Mahadeva only narrating this. Again in the narration, Mahadeva's stotra is coming here. Namostu Ramaya Sasaktikaya Nilotpala Syamala Komalaya Kirita Harangada Bhushanaya Simhasanasthaya Mahaprabhaya. త్వమాది మధ్యాంత విహీన ఏకః సృజస్యవత్స్యసి చ లోకజాతం స్వమాయయా తేన న లిప్యసే త్వం యత్సే సుఖే జస్రస్రతో నవద్యః. లీలాం విధస్సే గుణసంవృతస్త్వం ప్రసన్న భక్తానువిధానహేతోః నానావతారైః సురమానుషాద్యై ప్రతీయసే జ్ఞానిభిరేవ నిత్యం. స్వాంసేన లోకం సకలం విధాయ తం బిభర్షి చ తత్వం తతధ ఫణీశ్వరః ఉపర్యధో భాస్వనిలోడు పౌషధి ప్రవర్షురూపోసి నైకథా జగత్. త్వమిహ దేహభృతాం శిఖిరూపః పచసి భుక్తమశేషమజస్రం పవనపంచక రూప సహాయయో జగదఖండమనేన బిభర్మిః. చంద్రసూర్యశిఖిమధ్యగతం యత్ తేజ ఈశ చిదశేష సమానాత్ ప్రాభవత్తమనుభృతామివ ధైర్యం శౌర్యమాయమఖిలం తవ సత్వం. త్వం విరించి శివ విష్ణు విభేదాత్ కాల కర్మ శశి సూర్య విభాగాత్ వాదినాం పృథిగవీశే విభావి బ్రహ్మ నిశ్చిత మనన్యదిహైకం. మత్స్యాది రూపేణ యథా త్వమేవ శ్రుతౌ పురాణేషు చ లోకసిద్ధః తథైవ సర్వం సదసద్విభాగః త్వమేవ నాన్యత్ భవతో విభాతి. యద్యత్ సముత్పన్నమనంత సృష్ట్వా ఉత్పత్స్యతే యచ్చ భవశ్చ యచ్చ నదృశ్యతే స్థావర జంగమాదౌ త్వయా వినా పరతః పరస్త్వం. తత్వం న జానాంతి పరాత్మనస్తే జనాః సమస్తాస్తవ మాయయాతః త్వద్భక్త్య సేవాకమలమానసానాం విభాతి తత్వం పరమేశమైకం బ్రహ్మాదయస్తే న విదుః స్వరూపం చిదాత్మ తత్వం బహిరర్థభావాః తతో బుధస్త్వామిదమేవ రూపం భక్త్యా భజన్ ముక్తిముపైత్య దుఃఖః అహం భవన్నామ గుణం కృతార్థో వసామి కాస్యామనిశం భవాన్యా ముమూర్షుణామాస్య విముక్తయేహం దిశామి మంత్రం తవ రామ నామ. సో మహాదేవ ఈజ్ కంక్లూడింగ్, అహం భవన్నామ గుణస్కృతార్థో భవన్నామ గుణకృతార్థో వసామి కాశ్యాం అనిశం భవాన్యా ముమూర్షమాణాస్య విముక్తయేహం దిశామి మంత్రం తవ రామ నామ. ఐ స్టేయింగ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ ద కాశీ అలాంగ్ విత్ భవానీ, ముముక్షుస్ who are mumurshanasyaya vimuktayeham, to release them, disami mantram, I direct them with your mantra, with Rama nama. Imam stavam nityam ananya bhaktya shrunvanti gayanti likhanti evai te sarva saukhyam paramancha laptva bhavatpadam yantu bhavat prasadat. This stotra which has been read from Mahadeva Uvacha, which is from sloka number 51 to 63, about 12 slokas, along with the Falasruti. Shrunvanti gayanti likhanti evai, listening, singing or writing it down. Te sarvasaukyam paramancha labdva bhavat padam yantu bhavat prasadat. They will reach you only by your own prasada. Indra Uvacha rakshodhi सेनाखिलदेव सौख्यम हृतंच मे ब्रह्मवरेण देव पुनश्च सर्वं भवत प्रसादात् प्राप्तं हतो राक्षस दुष्ट शत्रुः. O Rama, by your prasada I have got my place again. This is what Indra said. Deva uchu hruta yajna bhaga dharatta deva murare khale nadityena vishnoho hatodyattvayano vitaneshu bhagaha puradvad bhavishyanti yushmat prasadat. All devas have said. Now Ravana started taking everything, diverting all the positive effects to him. Now everything got re-established. We are getting our own Dharattadeva. So whatever yajna has been offered to us, it is coming to us. Otherwise, Ravana is letting them get their own righteous share in this whole world operation. Everything has been directed to him. That is how he has ruled the world. Pitaraha uchuhu. Then Pitaras have started saying, Hatodya tvaya dushta daityo mahatman gayadau naraidatta pendadikannaha baladdatti hutva gruhitva samasta nidanim punarlabdha sattva bhavamaha. So even whatever is given to Pitru Devatas are being diverted to him. They are not reaching Pitru Devatas because the process has been completely destroyed. Now you, after killing Ravana, we are getting our own part properly. Pitaras have become very happy, said that you have re-established our Pitra dharmas. Yaksha uchuhu sadavishti karmanyanena abhiyukta vahamo dasasyum balad dukkha yuktaha duratma hato ravano raghavesah tvayate vayam dukkha jatadi yuktvaha. So all the yakshas have been forcefully put into actions by Ravana. Now we are freed. Duratmano hato ravano raghavesaha. By Raghava killing Ravana, we are all freed. Tvayate vayam dukkha jatad vimukta. So that force on us, whatever has been put, is gone away. Now we became free and that sadness has gone away from us. Gandharvaha uchu vayam sangeeta nipuna gayantaste kadhamrutam ఆనందామృత సందోహయుక్త పూర్ణ స్థిత పురాహ పశ్చాత్ దురాత్మన రామ రావణేనాభివిద్రుత తమేవ గాయమానాశ్చ తదారాధన తత్పరాహ. సో Ravana has stopped us singing any of what we want to sing, your stotras. Now we are now free to sing to our heart's content and be happy. స్థితాత్వయా పరితాత్ర హతోయం. సో పవనో మునయో గావో గుహ్యకాశ్చ పణత్తితః సుప్రజాత పతయశ్చేతే తథా చాప్సరసాం గణ. ఆల్ నాగాస్ సిద్ధాస్ కిన్నెరాస్ మరుత్తుస్ Vasus, Munis, Go, Guhyakas, all these different types of beings, and birds, Prajapatis, Apsaras, all these people, they have come to Rama, bowed down to Rama, Mudita, with happiness. Yayu swam swam padam sarve. They all gone back to their own places. Swam swam padam sarve. Brahma Rudradayastadha. Right from Brahma, Rudra, everyone have gone to their own places. Prasamsato mudaramam gayantastasya cheshtitam. By prasamsa, by doing the praises of Rama and singing his praises, they have dhyayan तस्त्वभिषेकार्थं सीतालक्ष्मणसंयुतं सिंहासनस्थं राजेन्द्रं युयुः सर्वे हृदि स्ततं. Then dhyayantam, by meditated upon by him by various gods and all these layers of existence, Rama sat on the Simhasana along with Sita, Lakshmana, Rajendram, Yuhu Sarve, Hrudisthitam. In all, whoever is doing the dhyana, in their hearts, in that Simhasana, now Rama has been established. Rama has not established on an external Simhasana. Rama has now been established in heart Simhasana of everyone. Kevadyeshu dhanvatsu pramudita hrudayaihi devavrundaihi स्तुवद्भिर वर्षद्भिः पुष्पवृष्टिं दिवि मुनि करैः ईड्यमानः समन्तात् रामः श्यामः प्रसन्नस्मितरुचिरमुखः सूर्यकोटिप्रकाशः सीता सौमित्री वातात्मज मुनिहरिभिः सेव्यमानो विभाति. Who is being worshipped by Sita, Saumitri, Vatatmaja is Hanuman, Munibhi, Haribhi, Sevyamano, Vibhatihi. He has established in that Simhasana, this Rama Pattabhisheka, Sarga comes to an end. So, Phalasruti, Shodasa Sarga of Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana is all about the Phalasruti, what has happened later. This is all the Vanaras now been allowed to go back. They have been given some gifts and prizes. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Ramebhishikte Rajendre Sarvaloka Sukhavahe Vasudha Sasya Sampanna Phalavanto Mahiruha. Once one Rama has been established, then all the Vasudha world has become Phalavanto Mahiruha, all fruitful. It has become very fruitful. Gandhahinani Pushpani Gandhavanti Chakasire. Even the flowers which are not having smell, they have started giving wonderful smell. Sahasrasata Masvanam Dhenunancha Gavantatha. Says Sahasrasata Asvanam Dhenunancha Gavantatha. Then he has given Dadau Satavrushan Purvam Dijyobhyo Raghunandanaha. He has given to the Brahmanas Trimsat Koti Suvarnasya Brahmanebhyo Dathau Punaha. 3 crores of gold coins and 1 crore of cows have been given. Vastrabharanani Brahmanebhyo Mudhatadha. He has given Vastras, Abharanas to the Brahmanas. Suryakanti Samaprabhyam Sarvaratnamayim Srajam Sugrivaya Dadau Pritya Raghavo Bhaktavatsalaha Angadaya Dadau Divye Hyangade Raghunandanaha. So the great Ratnamayim Srajam has been given to Sugriva. Angadas have been given to Angada. Chandrakoti Pratikasam Maniratna Vibhushitam Sitayai Pradadoharam Pritya Raghukulottama. Chandrakoti Pratikasam Maniratna Vibhushitam, 1 haram he has given, Mukta haram, which is looking like Koti moons. The crore of moons have been tied together in there. Such a Ratna Vibhushitam. Sitayai Pradadoharam Pritya Raghukulottama. Avamuchyatmanah Kanta Dharam Janakanandini, that Kantaharam holding it, Avaikshata Harin Sarvan Bhartarancha Muhurmuhu. Sita started looking at Bharta and Vanaras. Muhurmuhu. Again, she is looking at Bharta and Vanaras holding this haram. Ramastamaha Vaidehi Ingitagno Vilavakayan. So, Ramastha Aham Aha Vaidehim. Rama then said to Vaidehi, Vaidehi Yasya Tushtasi Dehitasmai Varanane. Whoever you are very happy with, give it to him or give it to them. who you wanted to give. I know that you want to give this hara to somebody. Whoever you love, like, you give him. That's what Rama said. Rama is giving an anugnya to give that. Hanumate dadauharam pasyato raghavasya cha. Tena harena susubhe marutir gauravena cha. With she called Hanuman and gave this hara to him with gauravena cha. Ramopi marutim drishtva krutvanjali samusthitam. Now Rama put his anjali to Hanuma. He bowed down to Hanuma actually. Anjali samusthitam. Bhaktya paramaya tushtam idam vachanam abravit. With bhakti, with devotion, paramaya tushtam, with great bliss, great happiness, tushti. Idam vachanam abravit. Rama is bowing down to Hanuman and saying this. Hanumanste prasannosmi. Varam varaya kankshitam. Varam varaya kankshitam. Dasyami devairapi adurlabham bhuvanatraye. So Hanuman, ask me anything. Whatever, however impossible it is, I will give. Devairapi. Even if it is impossible to gods, I will give it to you. Hanumanapi tampraha natva ramam prahrushtadhi tvannama smarato rama natruptyasya manomama. I am reminding of your name always, but I am still not I am not getting that contentment, fulfillment of remembering your name. Trupyati natrupyati manomanama. Atastvannama satatam smaran sthasyami bhutale. I shall be on this earth, yeah, as long as your name is sthasyami bhutale. I will be in this earth as long as Atastvannama satatam smaran. I will be remembering sthasyam. Yavasthasyati te nama loke tavat kalevaram. So in this body, I want to be in here as long as your name is here. Mamatishthatu Rajendra varoyam me bhikanshitaha ramastatheti tampraha muktatishthas yatha sukham. Then he said, Kalpante mama sayidyam prapyase natra samsayaha tamaha janaki prita yatra kutrapi marute. Then he said, Maruti, yes, let it be so. You have been fulfilled by your wish. As long as Rama's name is there, Hanuman will be here reminded of his name. Wherever that name, Rama's name is, Hanuman will be there. Kalpante, when everything gets merged, at that time you will merge in me. Sthitam Tvamanumayasyanti bhogas sarve mamagnyaya. So wherever you are, all the bhogas by my order will follow you there. Mamagnyaya. Yutyukto marutistabhayam ishwarabhyam prahushtadhi. So not only you will be there, when you go there, along with you all the bhogaha sarve mamagnyaya, they follow you. So Maruti, where Maruti is there, all bhogas will come there. Anandrasru pariktaksho bhuyo bhuya pranamyatau krutakruchadyayo tapastaptum himamantam mahamatihi. With great anandashrus, Mahamati Hanuman left to do his tapas. Himavantam Mahamati gone into Himavantam, Himalayas. Tato guham samasadya Rama pranjalim abravit sakhe gacha puram ramyam srungavera manuttamam. Then again thanking Guha with Anjali again. Sakhe gacha, you can go now. Puram ramyam srungavera manuttamam. Mameva chintayin nityam bhunksha bhogan nijarjitan. Whatever bhogas you acquire yourself, bhunksha, enjoy those things. Mamevam chintayan nityam, always thinking of me. Ante mamaiva sarupyam prapsyase tvam nasamsayaha. At the end you will get my sarupyam. You will get into my rupa. Yutyuktva pradadau tasyai divya bharananicha rajyancha vipulam dattva vijnanancha dadau vibhuhu. He also gave vijnana to him, knowledge, wisdom to Guha. Ramena alingato hrushto yayau swabhavanam Guhaha. Guha has gone to Alingito, having embraced Rama, he went to his place. Yechasye Yechanye Vanaraha Sreshta Ayodhyam Samupagataha. Then all Vanara Sreshtas who have come to Ayodhya, Amulya Bharanas सर्वैः पूजयामास राघवः, गिविंग अमूल्याभरणास् टू देम. सुग्रीव प्रमुख सर्वे वानराः विभीषणाः यथार्हं पूजितास्तेन रामेण परमात्मना प्रहृष्ट मनसः सर्वे जग्मुरेव यथागतं. सुग्रीव प्रमुख सर्वे किष्किन्धां प्रयुरुर्मुदा विभीषणस्तु सम्प्राप्य राज्यं निहतकण्टकम्. So Kishkindha, people have gone to Kishkindha, Vibhishana has gone to Vibhishana's Rajyam, Ramena Pujata Pritya Yavu Lankamanindataha, Raghavo Rajyamanisam, Sesas Sakhilavatsalaha, Anichannapi Ramena, Yavurajyabhishechitaha, Lakshmanaha Paraya Bhaktya, Ramasevanupro Bhavet. Even though not interested, Lakshmana has been made as the prince. రామస్తు పరమాత్మాసి కర్మాధ్యక్షోసి నిర్మలః కర్తృత్వాది విహీనోపి నిర్వికారోపి సర్వదా. రామస్తు పరమాత్మాపి, రామ ఈజ్ పరమాత్మ. కర్మాధ్యక్షోపి, హీ ఈజ్ ద అధ్యక్ష, విట్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ద కర్మాస్. నిర్మలః, ఎవర్ ప్యూర్. కర్తృత్వాది విహీనో, హీ ఈజ్ నెవర్ అటాచ్డ్ విత్ ఎనీ డూవర్షిప్. కర్తృత్వాది, భోక్తృత్వ, ఎంజాయ్మెంట్ ఆర్ డూవర్షిప్ డు నాట్ బిలాంగ్ టు హిమ్. నిర్వికారోపి సర్వదా, నెవర్, నాన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మింగ్, ఆల్వేస్. నిర్వికారోపి సర్వదా. స్వానందేనాపి తుష్టః సన్ లోకానాం ఉపదేశకృత్. స్వానంద, ఇన్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ ఇన్ ఓన్ ఆనంద, లోకానాం ఉపదేశకృత్, టు టీచ్ ద లోకాస్ హౌ టు బిహేవ్. అశ్వమేధాది యజ్ఞైశ్చ సర్వైర్విపుల దక్షిణైః. has performed several Ashwamedhadi yagas sarvaihi vipula dakshinaihi, with great dakshinas, giving dakshinas to those Rutviks. He has performed several Ashwamedhas. Yajat Paramanando Manusham Purvapumasritaha Naparad Na Sarva Devan Na Parvadevan Vidhava Nacha Vyalakrutam Bhayam. So while he is performing his Upasyamana, when he is doing Upasana of this Rajya, there is nobody a widow. You cannot see a widow. Nobody is becoming widow. Nobody is, there is no fear of animals. Vyalakrutam bhayam. Na vyadhijam bhayam tasya. There is no fear of any diseases. Na vyadhijam bhayachasid. Rame rajyam prasasati. While Rajya is been ruled by Rama, there is no vyadhi. Loke dasyu bhayam nasi danardho nasti kachana. There are no anarthas. There are no natural calamities. There are no fear of thieves. Vruddheshu satsu balanam nasin mrityu bhayam tadha. Even they are vruddha, old people, balas, young people, all are satsu. They don't have fear of untimely death. Asid mrityu bhayam tadha. Rama puja para sarve sarve raghava chintakaha. Everybody has worshipped Rama. Everybody has chintakaha, done dhyana of Raghava only. Vavarshu jaladastoyam yadhakalam yadharuchihi. When rain has to fall, at that time, how much it has to fall, that much rain has fallen. Prajaha swadharma nirataha varnasrama gunatmitaha. All the people doing their own duties. Swadharma nirataha, doing their own duty. Varna asrama gunanvitaha, as per their varnas, as per their asramas. Aurasani varamopi jugopatruvat prajaha. Like a adopted children, Pitruvat, Rama like father, taken care of whole of the people in his Rajya. Sarvalakshana samyukta sarvadharma parayanaha. Dasya varsha sahasrani Ramo Rajyam upastasaha. For 10,000 years, Rama has upastasaha, Rajyam upastasaha. Ramo Rajyam upasitva Brahmalokam prayasvati. This is the Valmiki Swachanam. So they are not rulers. They have not governed the Rajya. They have upasita. They have done upasana of the Rajyam. Raja, Rajarshi will do upasana on the Rajyam. It is worship for them. He worshipped the Rajya for 10,000 years. That is Rama Rajyam. He has not ruled the Rajya. He worshipped the Rajya. Upasita. Without seeking anything in return, he worshipped the Rajya, ruling or the taking care of the world, of his, whatever he has accepted to take care. Ayodhya. Idam rahasyam dhanadhanya buddhim dirghayur arogyakaram supunyadam pavitram adhyatmika sangitam pura ramayanam bhashitam adisimbhuna. Idam rahasyam, this secret, dhanadhanya buddhi dirghayur arogyakaram supunyadam. all these things, giving all these things. Pavitram Adhyatma Sangitam Pura. This Adhyatma, spiritual Ramayanam Bhashitam Adisembhuna. Base Sembhu, Adisembhu, Adisankara. Srunoti bhaktya manujas samahito bhaktya patehedva paritushta manasaha sarva samapnoti monogata sisho vimuchyate pataka koti bhikshanat. So this is the Phalasruti. Srunoti bhaktya, who listens to it. Manujaha samahito, who composed mind, with the composed mind. Bhaktya, with the devotion. Patedhya, who reads it. Paritushta manasaha, with happy mind. Sarvaha samapnoti manogata sisho. Sarvaha samapnoti, what manogatas, whatever desires which are there, all the desires will be fulfilled. Vimuchyate pataka koti bhihi kshanat. Even 1 crore patakas are there, not papas. Patakas are there, all those things will be released. Kshanat, in a second. Rama Abhishekam prayatah srunoti. This Rama Abhishekam prayatihi, with effort, one who listens. Prayatah srunoti. With effort, going down to somebody, asking for, tell me Rama Abhishek Sarga. Srunoti, listens. Yo dhanabhilashi labhate mahadhanam. He with dhanabhilasha, with wealth, he asks for that, he will get mahadhanam. He gets greater than the wealth. What is mahadhanam? Wisdom. So mahadhanam. Putrabhilashi sutamarya sammatam. Putrabhi, one who wants sons or progeny. Arya sammatam putraha, as proper sons will be born to them. Prapnoti Ramayana madita patan. From beginning, Ramayana, this Ramayana who reads, they will get it. Srunoti yo adhyatmika Rama samhita. This adhyatma Ramayana samhita. Prapnoti raja bhavad mruddha sampadam. So rajas, the kshatriyas will get vruddha sampadam. Their sampada will grow. Their rajyam will grow. Shatrun vijitva abhirapradarshito vyapeta dukkho vijayi bhaven rupaha. Without any dukkha, without having any problems in the rajya, they will become vijitaha, victorious in their rajyam. Striyopi srunvantyadhi Rama samhitam. Ladies who listen to this, bhavanti ta jivasutascha pujitaha vandhyapi putram labhate surupinam kadhamimam bhakti yuta srunotiyaha. They will be getting wonderful sons and they will be worshipped by their sons and they will achieve the bhakti yuta srunoti kadhamimam bhakti yuta labhate surupinam. They will get putram, they will get all the progeny, everything, whatever they need. Shraddhanvitoyah srunuvat pathennaro vijitya kopam cha tatha vimatsaraha. With Shraddha, one who srunuyat pathennaro, srunuyat, listening or reading this, naraha vijitya kopam, they will win over the anger. Tatha vimatsaraha, then matsara will go away, jealousy goes away. Durgani sarvani viditya nirbhayo, all the difficulties, coming out of victorious in all the difficulties. Bhavet sukhi Rama bhakti samyutaha. He will become sukhi, happy with Rama bhakti. Suraha samastapi yanti tushtatam vigna samasta apayanti srunvatam adhyatma Ramayana maditon runam bhavanti sarva api sampadah paraha. So everybody will become, all the obstacles will be removed. Surahapi, all the suras will be happy, all the gods will be happy. We know why they will be happy. Rajasvala yadi Ramatatpara srunoti Ramayanameva taditaha putram prasute rushabham charayusham pativrata loka supujita bhavet. Even a young girl who reads, studies this will get all that, her life's fulfillment by reading this. Pujayitva tu ye bhaktya namaskurvanti nischataha sarve papairvinmukta vishnuryanti parampadam. So people will reach Vishnu's padam by reading this. Adhyatma Ramacharitam krutznam srunvanti bhaktitaha pathanti va swayam vaktra tesham Rama prasidati. This Adhyatma Ramacharitam krutznam, completely srunvanti bhaktitaha patanti va swayam vaktra. By one's own mouth, Rama prasidati. Rama will become happy. Rama will become very compassionate to those. Ramayeva param brahma tasmin stushte khilatmanihi dharmartha kama mokshanam yadyadichati tad bhavet. Dharma artha kama mokshas, whatever yad ichati tad bhavet. Srotravyam niyamenaiva, listening to it with niyama. Ramayana makhanditam Ayushyam Arogyakaram Kalpakotyaghanashanam. Ayushyam Arogyakaram, which will increase the health and lifespan. Kalpakotyaghanashanam. Of Kalpakot is from last one kalpas, 1 koti kalpas, what agha, papa is there, that papa will be removed by this. Devascha sarve trushyanti sarvaha sarve maharshyaha ramanayasya sravane trupyanti pitrastadha. So pitras also will become fulfilled with this. Adhyatma Ramayanam etat adbhutam. This Adhyatma Ramayanam etat adbhutam, wonderful thing. Vairagya Vijnanayutam Puratanam. Vairagya Vijnanayutam, which is of Vairagya and Vijnanayutam. Puratanam, eternally there, oldest scripture. Is Mahadeva said this at that time. Then Vyasa recorded it at the later time. But Adhyatma Ramayana is there, Puratanam. Pathanti Srunvanti Likhanti ye naraha. Reading, writing, listening to it ye narahas tesham bhavesmin punarbhavo bhavet. They need not be born again. Alodyakhila vedarasi masakrutyat Dyattarakam Brahma Sadramo Vishnu Rahasya Murtiriti Yo Vijnaya Bhuteshwaraha Udrutyakhila Sara Sangrahamidham Sankhepatah Prasputam Sri Ramasya Nighoda Tattva Makhilam Praha Priyayai Bhavaha. Praha Priyayai Bhavaha. For his Priya, his loved wife, Bhavaha, great Lord Bhava, Mahadeva, who has said this several times. He has churned the Vedarasi, all the Vedas, he has churned it. Vedarasi, this Taraka Brahma Ramam, taking at the essence of this Taraka Brahma's Rama, this Rahasya, this Bhutanatha has revealed it to his own wife Priyayai Bhavaha. Iti Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana Antargata Uma Maheswara Samvade Yuddhakande Shodasa Sargaha Samaptam. By the grace of Guru and Lord Rama, on this great Parvadina of Dakshinayana Punyakalam Karkataka Sankramanam Guru Ekadasi, we come to the end of this Adhyatma Ramayana Yuddhakanda with Falasruti. May all these effects fall in the Falasruti, what has been told, be realized by one and all devotees who devotedly study this, listen this, write this, do the dhyana of this. Let the Guru's prasada on this Guru Ekadasi be on one and all. Swasti. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisya gobrahmanebhya subhamastu nityam lokah samastah sukhino bhavanti. Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama. 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 Shri Hanuman Jai Hanuman Jai Jai Hanuman. Shri Hanuman Jai Hanuman Jai Jai Hanuman. Shri Hanuman Jai Hanuman Jaya Jaya Hanuman. Shri Hanuman Jai Hanuman Jai Jai Hanuman. Swasti.